Welcome to our channel, Wafa Tech and Tricks.
Hey everyone, if you're planning to study in Germany in 2025,
there's one thing you absolutely cannot ignore: health insurance. Without it, you can't enroll at a university, apply for a visa, or even get a residence permit. So in this video, I'm giving you a complete guide to health insurance for international students in Germany. Who needs what, how much it costs, how to apply, and what to watch out for. Let's get started. Section 1. Why health insurance is required. 030, 130. Germany has one of the best healthcare systems in the world, but it's not free. By law, everyone living in Germany must have health insurance, including students. If you're coming from outside the EU, you'll be asked to show proof of health insurance for your university enrollment, when applying for your student visa, and during your residence permit appointment. If you don't have valid insurance, your university may not even let you start your studies. So yeah, it's really important. Section 2. Types of health insurance. 130, 330. There are two main types of health insurance in Germany, public and private. Let's look at both. Public, statutory health insurance. Known in German as Gesetzliche Krankenversicherung, GKV. This is usually the best choice for students under 30 enrolled in a degree program. Monthly cost, around 120-130 as of 2025. Covers doctor visits, hospital treatment, emergency care, mental health, medications, and more. Key providers: TK, Technische Krankenkasse, AOK, Barmer, Daki. Pros: excellent coverage. Bills are usually paid directly by the insurer, recognized by all universities, easy access to doctors. Cons: once you choose not to join public insurance, you can't go back as a student. The cost goes up after you turn 30. Private health insurance. This is mainly for students over 30, students in language courses or preparatory programs, students who opt out of the public system. Monthly cost starts around $35 to $70, depending on age and coverage. Covers varies. Some include only basic emergencies. Some offer full coverage. Good providers include Mawista Student, Educare 24 by Dieter Walter, Care Concept, Hansa Merkur. Pros: often cheaper, especially if you're young and healthy. Accepted for visa and university enrollment. Cons: you may need to pay upfront and claim reimbursement later. Some plans don't cover pre-existing conditions. Less flexibility if you need extensive care. Section 3. Who needs what? 330, 430. Let's break it down clearly. Situation: type of insurance. Under 30, full-time university student public insurance, GKV. Over 30 years old, private insurance language course, or Studienkolleg. Private insurance student from EU/EA with Ichik may be accepted. Ask your uni. Already privately insured in your home country may be accepted temporarily, but often not long-term. If you're from the EU and have an ERK card, European Health Insurance Card, you may be exempt, but always double-check with your university. Section 4. How to apply. 436 Mai. Now let's go through the steps to actually get insured. Public insurance. 1. Choose a provider like TK, AOK, or Barmer. 2. Apply online. Most of them have English language websites. 3. Provide your admission letter and passport. 4. Once accepted, you'll receive a digital insurance certificate. 5. Submit that to your university. Done. Payment, usually via monthly bank transfer or SEPA debit. Private insurance. 1. Go to the provider's website, e.g. Mawista, Educare 24. 2. Choose the student tariff that suits your course and visa type. 3. Fill in the application and upload your documents. 4. Get your policy confirmation. 5. Show it to your university or embassy. Tip: some platforms like Feather, Autonova, or Fintiba make the whole process super smooth for international students, even bundled with blocked accounts. Section 5. Common mistakes to avoid. 6 GACT 7. Here are some common mistakes that international students make. Don't be one of them. 1. Waiting until the last minute. Apply for insurance before arriving in Germany. 2. Choosing private insurance without knowing the risks. Once you opt out of public insurance, you can't switch back while you're a student. 3. Thinking travel insurance is enough. Travel insurance is not valid for long-term studies or visa purposes. 4. Missing deadlines. Some universities require proof of insurance weeks before classes start. Bonus, my recommendations. 7:30. If you're under 30, my recommendation is to stick with public insurance like TK or AOK. They offer full coverage, are affordable, and make life easier. If you're required to get private insurance, make sure you choose a provider that specifically offers student plans and understands the visa process. That's it. Your full guide to health insurance in Germany for 2025. It's not the most exciting topic, but it's super important, and getting it right will save you time, stress, and possibly thousands of euros. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends, and drop your questions in the comments below. And hey, good luck with your studies in Germany. Thank you for watching.